Okay, this is Mateo Garcia with YouTube Creator AI, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to create thumbnails with our tool here. Okay, come to the thumbnail studio, and let's say you have like a mystery or documentary channel, and you're doing a video topic, the mystery of Amelia Earhart. Okay, so we're going to generate thumbnail concepts. Give this just a minute. How our tool works, so you don't have to mess with endless prompts. It gives you a concept first, so in case you don't want to use the image, you have a good concept of what the image should look like for a YouTube video. Once again, this is just an example for this particular video, but you can use it for any topic. And once again, this tool takes a little bit longer because it does use a live Google search to kind of check out if there's any updated items about this. So it gives us a concept here, some suggested captions, and now it gives us a prompt so we can generate an image. So let's do a pop art image. So it's already filled out here. We could just hit generate image, give this just a few seconds as well, and it's going to generate a thumbnail image for us, some suggested captions depending on what your video's about. You can mess with the font, the outline. So you have some options here. Okay, so let's go ahead and download this here, right? So let's try another one. So let's say you do baking and you have a video about how to make sourdough at home, my recipe. Okay, so we can put that as the video topic, generate some thumbnail concepts, and once again, be a little patient. I know this is not a trending topic, but this tool works for any videos that you are creating. So it does use a live Google search to verify any information. So once again, it gives us a concept here, a perfectly golden brown rustic sourdough loaf. So you can have a picture of your sourdough bread, or let's go ahead and make an image here. So we can do a hyper reel, generate image, give this just a minute as well. And what this tool does, it gives us some suggested captions that we can overlay. And here is a perfect thumbnail for this particular video. You can change, once again, the captions here, change the font, add a background. So you have some options here. If you don't want to caption at all, you can go to no text or do a custom text. So let's download this one as well. Let's say you are a gamer and you're doing a World of Warcraft stream. I don't know anything about this game, but I'm just going to put that as a video topic. Once again, it's going to give us a concept first, and this is where it saves you time, so you don't have to kind of put the perfect prompt to get the perfect image. What the AI is doing here is creating a concept for us, so it has some clearer instructions when it's creating the actual image. And this does a live Google search as well, so if there's any updates on World of Warcraft that's in your stream, it's going to show up here. So it gives us a concept, some suggested captions, and then we have options to do a modern comic, anime. Let's do a hyper reel. With something like this here, I would recommend adding your own image or picture, so have like a background of the game. So this will kind of give us what a concept should look like. Okay, and once again with this, so if you're a creator, you can add your image here, or we can do this as well, background only of World of Warcraft. So we can do that, kind of do our own background here. Let me download this one as well, just so we have it saved. So we can do background only World of Warcraft for YouTube thumbnail, and what this will do is just create a background for you, and then if you have your own image, you can just overlay it on top, and you can do it right from our tool here as well. So this gives us a great background. We can use one of these custom captions, and then if you have your own image saved, you can add it here, and then it'll overlay. Let's try this here. Let's go to I think I have a image saved here on my desktop. All right, let's do this. So this gives me an image here, and we can overlay it. We can move this caption here. I would probably change it, say, to Raid Boss. Do this sort of caption, bring it down here, or just put it right over me here, and then you have here's a thumbnail for a World of Warcraft theme. If you want to change the text color, you can do all of those things as well. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI, for all of your thumbnail needs. It's totally free. Just come to YouTube Creator AI, come down to the thumbnail studio, put in your video topic or title. Make sure you have it corrected for a thumbnail. If you want to create images for a community post or a short, you're welcome to do that as well. YouTube Creator AI, email me, Mateo at youtubecreatorai.com if you have any questions.